Passion and purpose come to us in the very moments we have. When we recognize the joyfulness in what we already have, gather tiny pieces of those things and bundle them in one place. Let light reflect on the shadows as you sort through those things. Speak life over yourself. This is where beauty from within grows. My name is Ashley Murphy. I'm an artist, an author, among being a wife and a mother, using my gifts in my daily life to communicate with the world how valuable you are. It is my greatest desire to remind you, you are made to shine. Shine your light of influence out into the world. Welcome back to today's entry 12. Today will be another day that I sort through along with you through the things that will go on this journal page. As I look through these pieces and try each one, pay close attention to how different one piece can make a page look. Sometimes it takes us trying out different things in our life to find which one is just fitting. This is it. Look at that layout. I just love the colors. I love the pink lace in the book page, and the black with white polka dot, and the turquoise on the cardboard textured piece against the denim. That's just so magical looking to me. I'll use that same card that I began using in the last video to apply the Mod Podge on each piece with the attempt of not losing my placement of each piece. I'm going to show you the difference between the finished product versus what I had laid out earlier before I started the Mod Podge process, and let you see how different they are. It's not very noticeable, but if you look right here, and you may need to pause so you can see the difference, but the book page actually is turned around the wrong way compared to the earlier version. I noticed this by the torn edge is in the opposite direction, so the finished version, the book page and the teal cardboard is moved further down the page, whereas in the earlier version, before I started Mod Podging, they were scooted up just a hair. Let me know if you could tell the difference. Until next time, see you then.